Hello, so today I will be teaching you how to get a custom ringtone if you already don't know how to on an Apple device. First, you'll need GarageBand and Safari. First, go in Safari, type in whatever thing you want, whatever song followed by MP3, and then go onto a website. Click download. Click download again. Go into GarageBand. And then, so you'll want to scroll over to audio recorder. Click OK. Click this right here. It will bring you to this. Then click this triangle button right there, so it's gray. Click the loop. Click Files, and drag this over. And click the plus, and raise that button to 30. And then you can see if you like it or not. I'm not going to play it for copyright reasons. But then, so click download. It will save it. I already did this, but so hold this button, hold on my song. Click download. I already did that. So you want to hold on this. Then click share, ringtone. Then it just needs to be adjusted probably a little bit, so click continue. Then you want to click export, and you can change the name of the ringtone if you want. I already did it, the Imperial March, once, so I'm not going to do it again. But go into settings. Go to sounds, ringtone, and then you can select Imperial March or whatever song you want. And then there it is. You're done.